Hi, Alexa with Houzz Pro, and welcome to our video tutorial on Houzz Pro's 3D floor plan kitchen updates. This includes updates to appliances, cabinets, hardware, and more. Our Director of Visual Technologies, Sally, will go over the features with you.
Hi there, Sally here from Houzz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create kitchens in the 3D floor plan tool. Let's get started. So here's the floor plan that I've already started, and I have this empty space over here for my kitchen. So I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to go to Products and Kitchen Products to get started. As you can see, under Kitchen Products, we have a bunch of different categories, from appliances to base cabinets to kitchen islands, tall cabinets, and wall cabinets. And we have a lot of products under each of these categories. Appliances include range hoods, various ranges, cooktops, countertop microwave, as well as dishwashers. And we have a huge variety of different sizes and shapes to choose from all of our different cabinet types. Let's say I want to start with my sink cabinets. So one easy way is that I can just go ahead and type sink, and I will be filtered for all the different kitchen sink types. So let's go ahead and add a kitchen sink right here. Now, normally I would actually have to rotate these products to get it to face the right way. I'm going to use this as my starting wall. And what's easy with kitchens is that I can go ahead and move this product close to the wall. When I get close enough, you can see it automatically rotate, and it'll snap right against this wall. And likewise, if I were to move it to this wall, it would do the same. So I'm going to drop my kitchen sink right here. Now, let's say, for example, I have a specific size that I have in mind. Let's say a 30-inch cabinet. So I can easily filter by typing in 30. And now anything with the number 30 in the title will appear. I'm going to go ahead and find a cabinet that's 30 wide. That might be what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and do what I did before to get it to rotate. And in order to get it to line up properly, all I need to do is move it really close to this other sink, and you can see it will go ahead and snap. And that's where you know that they're flush against one another. Another easy thing that I can do is that if I know for sure that I either like this size or like this configuration, I can go ahead and duplicate, and I can put this product next to my next one, and I can either change the size or I can change the configuration. These drop downs in the cabinet properties menu is really handy for switching between sizes and configurations. But you can't actually access all the different cabinet types from here. As you can see, you only have 3 choices of configurations for a 30-inch wide cabinet, and that you don't have something, for example, the one-door designs. And the reason why is because, generally speaking, you don't have a one-door design that is 30 inches wide. So we'd have to pop back to the cabinet selection menu in order to get there. So let's go ahead and finish out this back wall over here with a couple more cabinets. And let's say, for example, I want to add a refrigerator and some other appliances. So let's go ahead and add a fridge. For this fridge, it doesn't automatically rotate because it's an appliance, so we're going to have to rotate it manually. And let me go ahead and place, say, a gas cooktop. So we'll do a 30-inch gas cooktop, and of course it pops onto the counter right when you mouse over it. And let's go ahead and find a 30-inch hood to match. So now I'm going to add some tall cabinets. Let's go ahead and add a double oven cabinet over here. And then for the remaining space, what I might want to do is I might imagine that there's not a whole lot of space and I want to add a filler. So I can go ahead and search for filler. And you can have tall and you can have base fillers. So this one over here is an 84-inch tall oven. So I'm going to go for an 84-inch tall cabinet filler. So that's what that looks like. So we do have a variety of other cabinets, including wall cabinets that can be placed above your base cabinets. These are available in a variety of heights, so you can even put them above your fridge. And we also have islands. And the only real difference with islands and regular base cabinets is that islands are available as double-sided doors. They do not actually snap to the wall. And another common request that I hear is that folks want floating shelves. So floating shelves we do have, but you have to actually pop out of kitchen products. It's actually under shelving, or you can just type floating shelves over here. Oops, spell it correctly, and there we go. So floating shelves, you can change all sorts of dimensions, change the distance from the floor, and these also automatically snap to the wall. All right, let's go back to dollhouse view and let's customize our cabinets a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit shift and select all of these cabinets. Hitting shift allows me to multi-select. So with everything selected here, I'm able to select a finish. So let's go ahead and select, say for example, weathered gray. And I can also change the hardware. So I can set a hardware knob or handle type that's different for drawers and doors. So let's say, for example, for drawers, I want to have some sort of a pull, so a handle. And I'm able to try out different sizes over here. Obviously, I have everything selected, so it's changing everything all at once. But if you wanted to say, for example, have 3-inch pulls over here and 5-inch pulls elsewhere, we can certainly do that. And I can also change the finish. So let's say, for example, if I wanted to do black, there you go. And go back to chrome. For hardware, I can choose a knob for the doors. And again, I can choose a color. So let's say, for example, I want to change the countertop material. So all I need to do for that is I need to go and select just the countertop pieces. And I can change the counter. So a couple of changes that I can make is over here, I can change the countertop type. And I can even give it a little bit of detail by changing the edge finish. So I'm going to zoom in right all the way in here. You can kind of see how that is different. There we go. For sinks and faucets, I also have additional properties, and I would change that by just selecting the kitchen cabinet. And over here, I'm able to change between the different types of faucets. You know, one of my favorite is the pull down professional. And I can also change from undermount to farmhouse and from one to multiple basins. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of idea of all the different things that you can do with 3D floor plans and the various things that you can do with specifically kitchen designs.
Now we'll talk about how to easily delete a wall in your floor plan. You can now delete a wall by hovering over it, and the delete icon will move with you, so it won't block the measurement label. Like before, you can also delete a wall by clicking on it and then pressing the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. Thanks for watching our video on updates to the Houzz Pro 3D floor plan.